morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Dia, coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Tuesday, November 22nd, 2016. The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 44 degrees. Later today, we are expecting a high of 56 and a low of 35, with mostly sunny skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Vedant,
Mark,
Anthony, Alvina.
I pledge
Allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Blackhawks will play the Florida Panthers tonight at 7:30. Club meetings today are Room 106 iPad Club and Room 106 at 11. First and second grade Battle of the Books in the library at 11 o'clock. PBIS Ambassadors in the Music Room at 11:45. Game and Conversation Club in the library at 11:45. Fifth and sixth grade Battle of the Books in room 208 at 11:45. Sixth grade First Lego League in room 208 at 3. And Puzzle Club in room 110 at 3. Today's announcements are, fifth grade students, don't forget, if you're interested in helping to wrap Christmas presents after school next Wednesday with the Schaumburg Fire Department, please return permission slips to Mrs. Luskowski no later than tomorrow. Tomorrow, during your lunchtime, Smens and Spencils will be sold in the front hallway. Smens are $2, Spencils are $1. Now, another production studio segment of Club News, highlighting the Green Thumb Club.
What we do in Green Thumb Club is we plant things and have fun. How the tower works is this big tube thing with the cap, and we put the compost in, and it moisturizes the soil so the plants can grow. In the succulents, we plant them in a tower, and then when we planted them, they were very small. About 2 weeks later, they grown. Hydroponics are another way to grow plants without soil. You put these pellets in instead of the soil to help grow the plants. pH is something that we put into the plants so they could grow, and it should be at a temperature of 5.8 or 6.3. We planted seeds in the styrofoam cube. Then we used light to make the plants grow. That's how we planted the plants.
Here's today's interesting fact. Have you ever seen a dog with really long ears? Harbor, a black and tan coonhound from Boulder, Colorado, has earned recognition from the Guinness World Record book as the dog with the world's longest ears. Harper's ears measure about 12.5 inches long. His owner said that when he was a puppy, he used to trip over them and sometimes even tumble down the stairs. That's all for today. This week's Pictures and Sounds are brought to you by the 4th graders in room 117. Have a tremendous Tubular Twister Tuesday!